Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Then click on the search bar, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flare2 Developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all about your Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!